This air hydraulic lift presents an interesting solution for motorcycle work. According to the seller, it offers a great price-to-performance ratio at approximately $730, featuring capabilities typically found on pricier models. The lift effortlessly handles motorcycles up to 1,000 pounds, with a maximum lift height of roughly 30 inches. Constructed from steel, the tool measures 86.5 inches in length, 26.8 inches in width, and includes a removable ramp. Additionally, it comes equipped with belt loops, an infinitely adjustable front wheel retainer with felt padding, removable casters, a stop system, and a rear wheel dropout panel. Here's another invention that doesn't claim to be complex or unique. This wheel stand proves useful when you need to wash the tire before storing it for the winter or remove the alloy wheels. The wheel roller is made from a maple bar and 2 rollers mounted on steel plates. To use it, simply place the wheel between the rollers and start spinning it. Even a simple device like this comes in several versions designed for wheels of different diameters. The price of the wheel roller starts at $250. What do you do if a tire on your camper or trailer suddenly goes flat in the middle of the road? Working with a jack can be inconvenient, as it's often hard to position it correctly. This camper leveler system could be the solution you need. Not only does it make changing wheels much easier, but it also doesn't require unloading. According to the engineers, the system is so simple that it allows you to level the vehicle on the very first try. The maximum load capacity is around 30,000 pounds, and it works with wheels up to 32 inches in diameter. The set includes a leveler and a chock, priced at $45. This air blasting gun is the perfect solution for stripping paint, rust, scale, and more. It's manufactured by a large Australian company that deals with automotive accessories and spare parts. This model is versatile, suitable not only for working with cars but also for other tasks. It's compact enough to hold with one hand and comes with a high-capacity 2.6-gallon hopper with a carrying handle and a 15-foot hose. Thanks to this design, even large amounts of work won't be a problem. The maximum pressure is about 120 psi, and the price is quite reasonable at around $100. The Carbench UL300 hydraulic car lift is a fantastic option for a garage or small workshop, particularly when there isn't enough space for a fixed lift. When folded, it's only 10 centimeters tall, but when fully extended, it raises the car to a standing height. The lift offers over 10 settings and can accommodate any passenger car, with the width of the restraining bar adjusting to fit the vehicle's dimensions. It's controlled with a remote, and specific points can be fine-tuned by simply tightening bolts. The UL300 looks very reliable. Here's a tool that simplifies the removal of various car elements. Developed by a Canadian company, the latest WRD Series solutions include the VP3 suction cup, which provides a 12% more effective grip compared to similar products. Thanks to its special profile, it requires less pumping for full functionality, thereby increasing its service life. The standard version of the tool is priced at $55 and is ideal for working on windshields. It makes mounting, dismounting, holding, and carrying elements much more convenient. With a simple design, this tool is very compact, featuring a suction cup diameter of approximately 6 inches. Pump up your tires or inflate a life preserver with the Slime 470 mini compressor. It mounts on the wall, plugs into an outlet, and leaves the pump jobless. The compressor is equipped with a 6-meter hose, long enough to reach every tire. By the nozzle, there's a pressure gauge to ensure you don't overinflate. The creators joke that their invention is always ready but never in the way. It can handle cars, motorcycles, bicycles, scooters, gardening equipment, trailers, and toys, basically anything inflatable. The compressor costs $65. Another essential tool for car repair shops is the Bendit 2.0. Created by German engineers, this patented tool is especially useful for bending wheel arches. Depending on the shape and condition of the material, you can use different attachments, which are easy to change thanks to the quick-release couplings. The tool weighs slightly over 11 pounds and measures 13 by 6 by 3 inches. With an operating pressure of about 29 to 43 psi, you can achieve perfect results in one go with minimal effort. The kit includes the tool, 3 attachments, a holder, a carrying case, and a user manual. An easy and fast way to bend car sheets, the manufacturer assures. The price is available upon request. How much would you be willing to pay for it? When a nut is out of reach, you might wonder how to extend your wrench. Sure, welding a long rod to it could work, but that would ruin your tool. Fortunately, there's a better solution, a special tool known as a spanner wrench extender. It attaches to the body of the wrench, becoming its new handle. The tool is 38 centimeters long. Thanks to physics, the longer the leverage, the less force you need. The steel jaw accommodates wrenches of various sizes and types, even adjustable ones. The tool is priced at $40. A puller that makes dismounting bearings easier. One of its secrets is a special red ring that allows you to separate the jaws with one hand, reducing the risk of errors or injury. The puller is available in several versions, with dismounting forces of 60, 80, and 120 kilonewtons. The 60 kilonewton version weighs about 9 pounds and offers gripping widths from 1.4 to 6 inches. Some versions can be upgraded by replacing the central screw with a hydraulic force generator. Safety and quality are ensured by self-locking grips and self-centering, so even an inexperienced worker can perform well. The price starts at $440. A powerful brushless motor, compact size, built-in LED light, and no wires. These are the features highlighted by the manufacturer of this tool. It's designed to remove car windows quickly and carefully and costs around $770. The manufacturer, Equalizer, is known as a world leader in the development and implementation of autoglass tools, so this product combines several advantages. First, the device comes with protective goggles, a battery, a charger, a blade, and even a DVD with instructions that make it easy to learn how to use the tool. Secondly, the long ergonomic handle provides precise control even in tight spaces. It weighs about 11 pounds, including the battery. Investment for anyone who spends a lot of time working on their car. Not only is it compact and flexible, but it also delivers an impressive 1000 lumens of brightness. It attaches securely with either 2 hooks or 4 neodymium magnets and runs on a 4400 mAh battery, lasting up to 24 hours at the lowest brightness setting. The 51 centimeter long luminous strip rotates 160 degrees and folds into a compact 13 by 13 by 4 centimeter size, making it easy to store in a tool bag or glove compartment. Designed with a shock-proof, dirt and grease-resistant casing, the Flexit is perfect for both the garage and camping trips. Be sure to have $40 ready if you plan to add it to your toolkit. How can you check your brake fluid? Drive to the station and pay for extra services. There's a simpler and cheaper way. The brake fluid tester is a small device that runs on an AA battery and measures the amount of water in the brake fluid. If it's less than 1.5%, the light turns green and you're good to go. Yellow means you should get it checked in 6 months, and red means your car needs service right away. The tester works like a dipstick. Just dip the tip into the tank and the light will come on instantly. The price is $6. Slat wall panels are a great way to organize your garage space. Mount these plastic panels to the walls, and you can store anything from tools to spare tires on them. Each panel can support up to 453 kilograms per square meter and is resistant to UV rays, oil, chemicals, and water. A single 60 by 120 centimeter panel costs $100. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.